Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I wanted to share a little score I got here locally, which would be for this guy here. It's a Corsair TX 750 watt bronze rated power supply. I got this guy for only $15 at a local recycling center, and it comes with all the essential cables, so 24 pin CPU cables, GPU cables, Molex and SATA, all that good stuff. Unfortunately, it's non-modular, but for $15, I really can't complain. I'm going to show you guys how I went about cleaning this guy up, because when I first got it, the fan grill was kind of rusty. There was a whole bunch of dirt inside and all that stuff. But before we do, I would like to give a special shout out to Mr. Brian from Techia City for giving me the idea of using brake cleaner and or electrical cleaner on internal circuit boards. Now, I've used electrical cleaners in the past, and I've only used them for maybe car wiring and stuff like that, but never did I ever think that it would be safe to use on things such as motherboards or anything electrically sensitive like that. But I did use it and it turned out pretty well. But let's go into the cleaning portion of this video first, and I'll talk more about it. So that is pretty much how I went about cleaning this little guy up here. So it looks better than it did before. Not as good as new, but I mean, I'm still pretty happy with the way it turned out. But the most important question is, does it still work? Well, I have it here connected to my monitor, as well as my test bench here. And I'm going to fire it up for you guys so you can see for yourselves. Blue light, and there it is. So works perfectly fine. It works actually really well, and I am glad that it's at least bronze certified and a I guess reputable brand. So at least it won't catch fire, or it didn't catch on fire when I initially tried it out the first time. Well, that'll be all for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all got ideas from where to get used PC components for cheap, in case you guys are on a budget or you think you want to start or build your first computer without having to spend too much. And like I said, if you're located here in Hilo on the Big Island, make sure you check out Cage Recycling Center. They have an awesome tech section in the back. You might find yourself some parts as well. And as for everyone else, wherever you are in the world, make sure you check out your recycling centers because you might find a good deal or two as well. And again, thanks for watching everyone. Take it easy and I'll see you guys later.